Okay guys, Trans Am update. As you can see, we got the newer model front end on it now. Does the engine. We ain't did nothing under the hood besides installing that carburetor right there. It was a 650 Holly, and we took the old school, it was the new school Performer Holly, you know, with the internal adjusting floats. You had to take the bows off and adjust the floats like that. We put the older school bows on it, and then we took the back metering plate off and replaced it with a metering block with 4 idle circuit adjustments. And it does really good. Hits electric choke carburetor. Ain't had no trouble out of it. I think they actually a video on it being installed on the car. Don't hold me to that. The interior, we still need to clean up pretty good. We gotta get all this stuff out right here. Somebody had an aftermarket amp set up in it. Oh, I don't know what you could call it. But this one's all the way through the firewall. This and then this and does. For some nonsense. I have been driving it, and it is dirty. You know how a hot rod is. And I detail it this spring or here next month, and put formats and clean it up all nice. We have replaced the back seats. I think that was in another video, because those liquid tape got in one of them and it destroyed the whole seat. And one of them was tore. I had a buddy up in Virginia. He had a parts car, and he pretty much gave me the seats to put in this. Thank you. I don't know if he's watching or not, but if he is, we got tons of tools in the back. As you can see, tons and tons of tools needs cleaned out. The body is pretty much great on this Trans Am. The rims, we're getting ready to change the rims. These is Corvette rims. I got a set of WS6 rims to go back on the car. That's what it's getting. I just ain't put new tires on the rims yet. When I get the new tires on the rims, these rims will come off. We need to install new hatch shocks. These is bad, and these hatches is heavy. If you ain't never picked one of these hatches up, they are heavy. Oh my god, they are so heavy. I don't know if you can see inside of it. We need a panel cover, and it's full of tools and parts, extra parts. We do need to kick the taillights out a little bit more right here. No biggie, we can do that. And then we got this side of the car. It's a very nice car. Hopefully it will see paint soon. It needs little brackets made, little L brackets right here to there, so we can move that fender in. Won't be hard to do at all. I don't know if you guys have seen it with the hood. The hood made the car. That new front end sure helps them out. I prefer that model front end a lot better. The doors close perfect on the car, as you can just see. Okay guys, I pretty much hope you enjoyed this update video on the Sinister Trans Am. If you want to see more of this car, you can check out my channel and go to playlist. A playlist on just this car. You can check out some of the videos on it if you want to follow the build on it and all that stuff. It has come a long way since we started on it. You can check out all its progress on my channel. Now, if you want to, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you ain't already a subscriber. If you are a subscriber and watching, thank you. And if you're new to the channel and you subscribe today, thank you very much. And until the next video, I'll see you then. Take care and bye-bye now.